Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm linking up with my guy Lats for a studio session. So if anyone remembers, a few weeks back me, LOB and Ocean all went to Lats' studio and we ended up making something crazy. We merged drill, trap and afro all into one beat, and yeah, it just turned out mad. We didn't end up finishing the song that day, so I might end up working on that with him again today. But yeah, Lats is still working on his album, so the main plan is for me to produce something for that album. He's a sick artist, I know he'll kill anything that I come up with, and it's always a vibe when we link up. But first things first, I need to get a fresh trim, so I'm gonna head there now, then head down to Lats. Alright, so I'm here with my guy Lats. I think the plan today is we're gonna try and work on something for his album. So I need to get out of this habit of just making dark drill stuff all the time. Lats is a vibey guy, so what I'm thinking is to start with a guitar, get something that he can catch a vibe with, and then just go from there.
Let's get it.
So what we're saying then, I think
Let me just try it.
guitar, yeah? I know you like a guitar, innit?
Start with a guitar, innit?
Yeah.
Can you play the guitar?
Nah, I can't, you know. I can play some keys.
Let's just try and jump in with me and do DJ Cactus, huh? Rapping.
I think my rapping days are over, you know.
You'd like it though, man, if you got into it. And like, if I showed you a few things, you would like it. I think you'd get into it.
Yeah, I could get into it again. I think at one point I might do it for a video.
Yeah.
Like to
It's
rap
always
over
good
my
to
own
try.
beat or something, yeah.
That's what it's about, you know. And you know, sometimes, yeah, the more simple it is, the better.
Yeah.
I like that vibe.
Straight away it's been catching it.
Yeah. Beats is a whole different world.
It's
God
mad,
damn. I did try like a few bits here and there before.
Oh, did you?
And I did like it, but it's just, you know, like with the whole engineering and then the whole bit is how.
There's only so many hours in the day, and if you try to take up too many skills at once, it's like, what do you invest your time in?
Yeah, literally. And I prefer it to like work with other talented people that like just cover that area, and then I cover that area. Because regardless, sooner or later, I'm gonna know everything anyways.
Yeah.
It's good for me to even know how to make beats. I can see it already.
You got the vibe already. Think about the violin, it'll get too emotional. I'm gonna scrap that. We're going back into my dark modes. Maybe a flute or something.
I like that. I like that.
Sounds alright, innit?
I like that. You know straight away when you hit that fucking spot.
Just that one bit. Sometimes you just gotta experiment and try a few things, even if it might sound shit when you're putting it in, because once you find those sweet notes.
No, yeah, you just have to find it, It's like with recording vocals, bro. Sometimes might do like flows sound shit, but you have to try it, otherwise you won't know, innit? What if that one there, you see this one?
Yeah.
What if that one after this one, what if that one went higher, even higher? Like a little
okay.
bit higher, just
Try that.
Try that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Punchy kicks.
Yeah. Probably don't need a lot more, you know.
Nah,
just once your vocals are on it.
Like we'll do just the vibey thing, yeah, just us two. But and then when you improvise and see if you can put like that style with a drill twist, yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Because and then I could get JJ to do like the drill part. He could
that
smash
could be
it.
sick actually.
And it could actually go together good. Like it depends what I do on it as well. But we'll see after.
Nah, it's the right tempo and everything. So it's gonna like bring it down, just like a little breakdown in it. It's alright, I just need to get those little tweaks to make the transition a bit smoother, you know what I mean?
Yeah. stick to the code. Put my trust in the road. She wanna know what I want. I wanna know what I want. Screaming it free on my bro. I was doing the road. Sometimes we give it a road. Cause you know we stick to the code. I was out on the road. Free on my bro. You know we get it real. So now we stick to the code. Road. Do it road. Same time we get to the road. And you know we stick to the code. I was down on the road. Stuck with the bros. Getting a B and she getting D for free whenever I say so. I was doing the bros, I was down with the bros. Stick to the code. Put my trust in the wall. I gotta let them go. Put on my own. Down with the bros, I was hitting them bros. Same time we kept it on road. Cause you know, I don't stick to the code. Put my trust in the wall. Leave me alone. You know I'm better on my own. So screaming, more money, gang sign. I think it needs to have that little thing, little bit, but it needs to go in proper, and then that part.
Yeah.
That could be the chorus, because it goes different.
Yeah, the two
We
words.
just mumble it. I was out with the bros, we was doing the bros. Same time we kept it on real, cause you know we stick to the coach. Go get more money, we came down to sun. Stand with the bros, we on the road. Same time we get it real, we stick to the coach. Go get you more money, we came down into sun. Came from nothing into sun. Oh, whenever they shit it along in the way, and I know it goes to more money, came from nothing into sight. Go get you more money, came from nothing into sight. Get you more money, came from nothing into sight. Beach. I like that flow, that part is sick.
That's sick.
Catchy as well.
Yeah, definitely. I think it needed that.
Plus you're telling people like, go get you more money. Like everyone wants to go get, you know what I mean?
Nah, definitely. Is it the transition between that first section of the hook and the second one?
Probably if I had that, go get you more money.
Yeah.
More money, we came down into sight.
Yeah.
And then it would be that, I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros.
Oh, so it's the last bit that you want to change. Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Well, if you took some words out of it, we're keeping it real, and then you could have some echoes on the real, like, we're keeping it real, I'm not in the cold. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, just have a little pause, you get me?
Let me do that little pause. Yeah, let me do it with that little pause. I was down with the bros, we kept it real, we stick to the code.
You know what I mean? That could sound alright, you know, if you had the echoes in.
I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros, so we kept it real, cause we stuck to the core. I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros, so we kept it real, cause we stuck to the core. Go get you more money, came from nothing into something. Go get you more money, came from nothing into something. I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros, so we kept it real, cause we stuck to the core. Go get you more money, came from nothing into something. Go get you more money, came from nothing into something. I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros, and we kept it on real, cause we stuck to the core. I was down with the bros, we was hitting them bros, and we kept it on real, cause we stuck to the core.
Obviously, still a few extras and that to add, and you know what I'm saying? But
Vibe though.
yeah, bro.
Alright, so I've just come out the session with Lats, and yeah, I think we've got a sick idea down. We've got a crazy catchy hook, but I'm going to be taking the beat home and tweaking a few things, and then at some point Lats is going to be finishing it. I just wanted to make the process kind of quick in there whilst I was actually making the beat, so you could get to work. But yeah, let me know if you're feeling that one, and if you want to hear more trap beats from me and more sessions with Lats. But once again, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Cactus. Go get you more money, more money. Came from nothing into something. Go get you more money, more money. Came from nothing into something. Oh, I was down with the bros, we was hitting them rolls, and we kept it all real, cause we stuck to the code. I was down with the bros, we was hitting them rolls, and we kept it all real, cause we stuck to the code.